Riding the Harley on dirt. Oh, looks like it's a bag, like, no, and all that strain out there. Is he taking his Harley out of the mud? Oh shit! Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, he's down. You good? Oh fuck. I saw that shit go down. You all good? Oh. You got some balls, man.
Huh?
You got some balls.
Alright, help me kick the kicks down, help me fix it.
There we go. Good as new. You all good?
Yeah. You see the burn up there?
So I broke a blinker on his bike. Well, full send in the dirt. I don't know about that one. Place is sick, man. Trona Pinnacles. Beautiful. I think they recorded parts of the Star Trek out there. Dude, he went full send in the dirt. That was funny, man. I just looked back and heard something fall. Oh, it's just a piece. I looked back and he just, like, going like 30 miles an hour, just slides. Here he goes again. Paid $1,300 for that cruiser, so just beat the fuck out of it. Pass them on the dirt here. Show off. Oh, two street bikes doing things they're not supposed to be doing. Woo! I don't want to go off that cliff. I'm breaking that back tire loose. Please don't tell me he's following me. Okay, he's not. I'd be very impressed if you did. Woo! Big bump. He's fucking cruising now. No pun intended. Catch up to him. I'm just riding, so I'll make him trade in his bike for a ADV or dual sport. Ooh, that's saying though. I gotta slow down. Fuck that shit. That's fun, man. Oh god, here we go again. This is day 2. We're trying this again. We kind of ghetto rigged this blinker to make it work. Kind of fixed the bike up a little bit. This is hardcore scrambling right here. Oh, I don't want Snapchat, I want my maps. Don't text and drive, especially on a motorcycle. Yeah, so he broke a blinker yesterday when he fell. And then we went to the AutoZone, bought a new bulb and stuff, and kind of ghetto rigged his blinker. Then like his fuses blew. We didn't know that last night, but he was at my place kind of troubleshooting and stuff, and he just figured out all the lights weren't working because of the fuse blown. I guess those bulbs, they're like a lot brighter and they required more power, and it kind of blew a fuse. So simple fix. Man, it's nice out here. I'm gonna go up the road here. If he follows me, I'm gonna be I'd be surprised if he follows me out here. I don't know what this stuff is, but it looks fun. Oh, there he is. I'll catch up to him. Woo! Here's a hill and a half here. Oh! Alright, I'll make my way to the road. I feel like an ass now. I'm just kind of doing my own thing. Turn my brights on so they can see me better. In case if he doesn't know where I am. I usually always just throw my brights on just when I'm out in trails like this, just so people see me better. I don't know what these are, but oh, this is all mud. Oh, this is quite some mud here. Get back on the road. I'll catch up to him. There he is. Forgot where we dumped it yesterday. It was like somewhere in here. Woo. Yeah, right in here. That's where I dumped it. That shit was funny. At least he didn't get hurt. Hell yeah. Yeah, right here. You see in the ground where it's all broken up from the big ass cruiser sliding on the ground. Man, this is some crazy terrain out here, man. Pretty cool. Ooh! It's gonna be a lot of fun on the T-Dub. I'll for sure bring it out here. It's just a lot of highway miles to get out here on a T-Dub. Just don't get stuck out here. This bike's heavy. It's got 705s. It's pretty good stuff for this, but like mud, it's terrible. Not terrible. You can, like thick mud, it's kind of, you're gonna have a hard time. Gotta get my bike a wash later. It's all like salt and mud. Man, this is fun. You can literally go anywhere out here. I can hear a suspension over there just fucking clapping out. Nice. Yeah, this looks a little muddy up here. I'm gonna get back on the road. Not trying to get I'm just showing off out here in front of them. Maybe I'll trade in that bike for a adventure bike or a dual sport if I show off enough. That's kind of douchey of me, I guess, but yeah, I'm slowing down for him because his shit's like rattling. Man, this would be so much fun on my T-Dub out here. Like hitting those hills and stuff. Yeah, I can hear that thing. It just sounds uncomfortable as hell. Looks like the hole came out of his front fender. That's really cool, man. That's gotta be bumpy as hell. You just hear his whole bike just shaking. Nice. Oh God. This shit came off his windshield. All right, so yeah, his fender over there by that shrub, all that rattling kind of broke it off, so we're gonna turn around even though we're right here. Day 2 was a failure. No, it was fun. We made it a little further than last time, and he's just kind of getting a head start right now. I feel bad, like we both want to come out here, but this is destroying his bike. Paid $1,200 for the thing, but yeah, that's his fender right here. I'll come by tomorrow and I'll pick it up with the T-double. I'll strap on a milk crate on a T-dub, come pick it up. It's not terribly far out. It's just a lot of highway miles on the little T-dub. Yeah, he's way out there. We got a good head start. Okay, that's all. I don't mean to brag, but I'm a little faster on dirt than him. Beautiful train out here though, like, it's awesome. Yeah, I'll for sure come out here tomorrow, get the little bike out, ride a little bit and pick up the fender. If someone takes it too, I'm not gonna be too upset about it, because that fender is like completely destroyed. He wants to refiberglass it though. I don't blame him, it just matches his bike, so we'll see. Yeah, there he is, closing up pretty fast on him. Oh, I was gonna stand for that pothole, but I didn't. I blew up my back. Here. This looks like fun. That bike's gonna need a good wash tonight for all of this. Uh-oh. That's a lot of holes. Here's the bike from here. That thing sounds rough. This bike's turning to a scrambler. So day by day, keeps losing pieces by pieces. Fender. Let's hit that little thing. I could have hit that. Ooh, I bottomed out. Off-road golfing. Oh, there's my tracks from yesterday. Slow down, bike, slow down. Brake's not doing much. It's nice to have a more than 14 horsepower some days. I should have cut in that way. Oh well, I'll make my own path. Oh, this is totally not where I wanted to. I thought this was the road. Whatevs. No problem. I'm burning up wearing my winter jacket. End of the road. That was fun. Woo! It's big cloud of dust.